Hi, I'm Michael Clark, and I explore the topic of how does artificial intelligence help make prosthetics cheaper and more accessible. Prosthetics can be thought of in two ways, conventional or intelligent. A conventional prosthetic may be simplistic or fancy in its design, but does not incorporate any robotics as intelligent ones do. The intelligent prosthetic has a lot of moving parts and usually involves coding to help it work, therefore increasing the cost. The first intelligent prostheses was developed nearly 30 years ago, and there continue to be incredible advancements in robotics technology and artificial intelligence, which is known as AI. Would you believe that there is technology that stimulates nerve endings to help a prosthetic move, that devices can be implanted into the brain to cause limb movement, and that bionic limbs are a reality? All of that is true. Prosthetics are getting smarter and more adaptive, in big part thanks to AI. The advancements in technology, robotics, and machine learning are proving that in the near future, amputees' artificial appendages will offer near normal function. While AI has played a huge role in the improved design, fit, and functionality of prosthetics, when bioengineers create limbs that involve human interaction with neural networks, electronic circuitry, and robotics, the cost skyrockets. The expense of technology added to the surgery makes this an unrealistic option for most. My research showed that there are many trials and studies, however most are in the early stages and lack FDA and insurance approvals, making them unavailable to the end user. AI has helped expand the accessibility of prostheses for athletes, growing children, dual amputees, and users with specific needs. Its use in the design and implementation of artificial limbs continues to have a huge impact in amputees achieving independent mobility and enhancing their quality of life. Unfortunately, artificial limbs only last about 5 years, which can make them costly when added up over the amputee's lifetime. The use of AI has made incredible strides in connecting software technology with 3D printing capabilities to allow for stronger, better designs that can be made more efficiently and cheaper while using stronger materials than in the past. I found that the advances in technology are incredible and will someday change the lives of prosthetic wearers, but that technology comes at a price that few can afford. What is exciting and affordable is the integration of AI with 3D printing and generative design. Many parts of a prosthetic can be printed using strong materials, often at cheaper prices. Traditional, more widely distributed prosthetics are usually heavy and the production is expensive and time-consuming. The process of generative design allows for many design and manufacturing options to be reviewed while using cloud computing. Please visit my website where I take you through the history of conventional prosthetics and the creation of intelligent ones using artificial intelligence, the materials and processes used to make these prosthetics, the many research examples of modern-day technology, along with how AI can help make prosthetics more accessible through the design phase. The concept of generative design is explained along with how the outputs can make good-fitting prosthetics more readily available. You will also see videos and instructional material on a site visit that I made to a local prosthetic business.